Hi, I'm Kathy at the Air Zoo, and we're gonna do some fun chemistry today. We're gonna make a lava lamp. Super easy to do. I have mine made already. All this is water with food coloring in it and vegetable oil on the top. So pretty easy. Vegetable oil is less dense than water, so it floats to the top. When you first pour it in, it might be all mixed up, but when you let it settle, the vegetable oil will float to the top. And then here we have the generic brand of Alka-Seltzer. What we're gonna do is break the thing into a couple different smaller pieces and see what happens. All right, so Alka-Seltzer dissolves in water and creates carbon dioxide gas, which is bubbling up through the vegetable oil and bringing up colored droplets of water with it, and then you can see they're cycling back down again. As more bubbles come up, more of them can cycle back down. And that's a super easy homemade lava lamp. And then if you'd rather have a snowstorm, this was vegetable oil. You can tell it's kind of yellow. This is mineral oil. You can use any oil you have. This is water again on the bottom, but this time it's got white glitter in it. And of course the oil on top. So let's make a snowstorm. Again, the Alka-Seltzer is dissolving in the water. It's made into carbon dioxide gas bubbles. It's pulling up the glittery water bubbles with it and making a snowstorm in a bottle. Super easy, super fun. Anybody, you have this stuff. You might have to go get Alka-Seltzer, who knows. But, oh, and don't forget your goggles. Anytime you're adding chemicals together and you might get a splash, be sure you're wearing your goggles. All right, bye.